Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited because I am releasing here the first class of the Christmas card series like we did last year, but this time it's for 2021, so get ready. So anyway, same as we did last year, I'm going to be releasing one class per month that is a stamp stack, and on this stamp stack you're going to be able to make 12 cards, so 3 cards of each of the different designs, so that you'll get 12 cards per class, and at the end of the series you'll have 60 cards ready to go for the holidays. I've got really good feedback, and because of that I decided to do it again this year. Now the first stamp stack, as you're seeing, is featuring the Tidings of Christmas that is in page 88 from your annual catalog. I love this this whole suite, and let me just show you here. The designer series paper is just amazing. The one side has more of a foliage Christmassy look, as you can see, and then on the other side you have more of a monochromatic or different type of patterns that will go really well with the patterns on the other side. So definitely a great paper pack to have for your Christmas cards. So also the bundle in this suite is called the Tidings and Trimmings, and look how beautiful it is. And what I love about this one in particular is that some of the sentiments on this one could go really well for those of your friends who do not really celebrate Christmas. I mean, we all have those people in our lives that we still want to send them a note during the holidays, but they don't celebrate Christmas. So I thought this one was just perfect for that reason. One of them says it's the most wonderful time of the year, which doesn't say anything about Christmas, but it is the most wonderful time. And then you have this one that says, "May your days be merry and bright." I love that one too. And then also, "Cheers from our home to yours." I think that all of those will go really well for the holidays, right? And especially for those people who do not particularly celebrate Christmas. The die set that comes with this one is just amazing. I love the stars the most. I think that this star is the one that really got my eye, and really this was the reason why I decided to make this stamp stack featuring this first set. So anyway, so for my stamp stack, let me just go over the options. As always, I have 2 options. So the option 1 is for those of you who wants to get the card kit to make the 12 cards. You're gonna be getting enough supplies to do 3 of each of the different designs. You're gonna be getting also a half of a pack of the Tidings of Christmas designer series paper, like I shared at the beginning. So it is this one. You'll get a half of a pack of these, and you'll get also the Evening Evergreen chevron with ribbon, which is this one, and it is fantastic, really nice. I love that it is not bulky, so your cards really go really well. You can do both with this one really nicely. And then you also get a pack of the metallic pearls that come in gold and silver. Obviously for this class I decided to use mainly the gold, but you can use silver for other projects. So when you're done, you still have the silvers to go with other different paper packs that you might have. So this option is $49 plus $8 shipping. I ship priority, so there's a tracking and insurance on your shipments, and it usually arrives like 2 to 3 days after. And now option and one thing I forgot to say, that for you to complete the card class you need to have this bundle. Now this bundle is not included in the class, but I'll have an option for you to add it on to your card packet, and that way I can put it in your packet if you don't have this yet, okay? And again, this is the Tidings and Trimming, and when you get in as a bundle you actually save 10%. So I'll put an option in option 1 for you to be able to add it on if you don't have this set already. All right, now for option 2 is for those of you who already have all the supplies to be able to make the cards. You already have the cardstock, the set, the ribbon, the pearls, the paper, everything. You just need the instructions. And so that option is also available at my store. So you can go at creatingwithali.com/shop, and look for this class. Or I'm also going to be putting here a link to the tutorial only option so that you can go and get it. As soon as you purchase it, you get a link to download it. That option is $15, and you'll get the 4 video tutorials for you to be able to complete this class. So anyway, so thank you so much. I hope you join me. Like I said, when you take all the Christmas cards stamp stacks from this series, you're gonna be completing 60 cards, because with every card I'll be releasing 12, or I will be sending you 12 card kits for you to make. So get ready for Christmas. It's coming soon. We're already in July, so I hope to see you here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.